सोच लिया कि मैं किसके साथ लाइफ चेंज करना चाहूँगी. Is if you could time travel to any period in history, where would you go? बनाते हैं गिटार बजाते हुए. Moving on to the second question, which is, are you single? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aarti Sharma and you're watching the Sharma Ji. So as you've seen from the title of this video, I am going to answer all your questions. I've posted a questionnaire on my Instagram story and you have asked a lot of questions. I guess there are 15 questions I have jotted down here and one by one I'll answer them all. But before we get started, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do follow my Instagram handle. I'll link it down here. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start from the first question, which is, what would you do if you won the lottery tomorrow? Interesting. Probably I would buy some high-end makeup products or an iPhone or a MacBook, I believe. I believe that I would buy something which is expensive like that. Obviously, who wouldn't buy an expensive thing if he or she wins a lottery tomorrow? Okay. Moving on to the second question, which is, are you single? Yes, definitely I am single. No one is up to take my shit. Sorry. No, I am single and I am done from all those things and I don't want anything. I just want to focus on my career and all. Yeah. Baddie girl vibes. Now, the third question is, what's something you have always wanted to learn but never did? I have always wanted to learn guitar, how to play a guitar. Since I was a kid, I have forced my mom to buy me a guitar, but she never did. She postponed me. I don't know, for some reason, she postponed to buy me a guitar. I have always wanted to learn how to play a guitar. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो सब जो covers बनाते हैं गिटार बजाते हुए. I don't have a good vocal cord, but I do want to play a guitar. The fourth question. If you could have a dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? सोच में डाल दिया यार. I guess हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड कोई अगर किसी के साथ मेरे को डिनर करना है, so it would be a painter, I guess, because I guess painters are much more romantic and lovely to chat and have a conversation with. So maybe Pablo Picasso? Yeah, a painter, something like that. The fifth question. Which college are you in? I am in SJSC Setanandram Jaipuria College, which is the topmost BCom college in Kolkata. Okay. The sixth question is, क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? नहीं, चीनी है. Just kidding. Yeah, मेरे टूथपेस्ट में नमक है. Now, moving on to the seventh question. If you could live in any fictional universe, which one would it be and why? Obviously, Hogwarts. I want to go to Hogwarts. मुझे Harry Potter बहुत पसंद है. I want to live that life, brother. I can pay any sum for it to live that life. मुझे Hogwarts जाना है. मुझे बस कोई Hogwarts ले चलो. So yeah, my answer would be Hogwarts. अगर कोई fictional world में मुझे जीना है, so it would be Hogwarts. The eighth question. What's a life lesson you learned the hard way? Actually, many things. Up to this date, I've learned many things, but there are two things which I've learned the hard way. First, not everyone who claims to be yours is yours. You know what I mean. And the second one is, not everything goes according to your plan. Okay, आप plan करिए, अच्छा होगा, बहुत systematic way में चलेगा, but हमेशा plan के according नहीं चलेगा. मैंने भी बहुत plan किया था कि मेरे 12th के बाद क्या करूँगी, but it कुछ वैसा गया ही नहीं and it completely changed. ठीक है, but it was for the good. I gave it a thought. तो मेरा जो plan था वो थोड़ा सा high end plan था मेरे लिए. And जो अभी मेरे साथ जो अभी मेरा life चल रहा है, it is for my betterment कि मैं baby steps ले रही हूँ. So yeah, these two are the things which I have learned the hard way. Moving on to the ninth question. What's one thing that most people don't know about? One thing that most people don't know about me is that I love to learn new languages. Yeah, brother, I love to learn new languages, and I know a little bit of Italian, French, and Korean, obviously from K-dramas. Like I've learned all these languages a little here and there from Duolingo, and I really love learning new languages, and I'm planning to learn Portuguese, Dutch, Spanish, and everything. Like मुझे लगता है कि हर लैंग्वेज सीखना ज़रूरी है, and I would love to explore different culture as well. The 10th question. If you could only eat one type of cuisine for the rest of your life, which would it be? आई गेस नॉर्थ इंडियन. मुझे नॉर्थ इंडियन बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही पसंद है. सो माई आंसर वुड बी नॉर्थ इंडियन. लाइक मैं, हाँ, नॉर्थ इंडियन. The 11th question of this video is, if you could have any superpower, what would you choose? To teleport. Yeah, I want that superpower. I don't have the energy to go here and there and just come back home, like walking, by transportation or anything. I just want to teleport from here and there. Like I'm just done by walking and using means of transportation and all. I want to teleport from one place to another. Yeah, it's just so hassle free, and I would save up so much energy. So yeah, it would be teleport. The 12th question is, what's the best piece of advice you have ever received? The best piece of advice I've ever received. Sorry for the background music. Yeah. बहुत बार सुना है आपने. मैं बहुत प्राइम लोकेशन पे रहती हूँ, so ट्रक्स एंड व्हीकल्स की आवाज़ तो आएंगे. तो a best piece of advice, I guess it's don't let others dominate you. Okay, I've heard that a lot. मैं like be it anything, any kind of relation, I have let others dominate me. Okay, so I guess it's a piece of advice I have learned from everywhere, that don't let others dominate you. It's something I should apply on myself. I should value myself, and I should let my feelings and my opinions first rather than the other people's opinions and values. The 13th question is, if you could time travel to any period in history, where would you go and why? I would love to go to the Victorian era. I really love the Victorian era and the Victorian age. Like वो ऐसे chic ball gown पहनना and all. Obviously वो सब lavish life. Obviously not among the janta, but among the royal blood. I would love to explore that era so much. The 14th question of this video is, if you could switch lives with someone else for a day, who would it be? Okay. तो जो मैं बोलूँगी कुछ ऐसे लाइक तो मैंने सोच लिया कि मैं किसके साथ लाइफ चेंज करना चाहूँगी. सो यू हैव सीन जंगकुक्स ट्रांसलेटर. I want to switch that life from mine to hers. Yeah. Very questionable, but मुझे उसके साथ अपना लाइफ स्विच करना है. I like Jungkook. Yeah, that's why. Anyways, let's move on to the last question of this video, which is, if you could have any job in the world for a day, what would it be? I want Gigi Hadid's job, like modeling. I really love modeling and all, but I never got a chance to do it. So I want to have that kind of job in my life for a day. But if कोई मेरा लाइफ टाइम वो जॉब कर सकता है तो I wouldn't mind either. So that was it for my video. So I hope you got all of your questions answered in this video. So stay tuned for another video like this or some kind of fun and interesting video. So जाते जाते please subscribe कर दीजिए and make sure to follow me on my Instagram. It's Aarti2512. तो मिलते हैं आपको next video में. Till then, bye.